Okay, we're going to begin here by going to our home page on my phone. We're going to open up this app right here called Home Guard Care. And when I touch that, it's going to open up to the next page, and that's where my cameras are. Okay, this is the next page. We're on the camera page. Now I'm going to go up here. I'm going to touch this screen right here. We're going to be working with this outside camera, and I'm just going to touch that screen right there. Okay, I turned my camera sideways for this one so we can look at it properly. If you notice up here in the right-hand corner, it gives you the day and date and time and all that stuff. And so, okay, I'm going to touch the screen right there. And so now I'm just going to take a picture. I'm going to hit this picture right here in the corner. So let's take a little picture. See, it says taking picture success. And if you want to take a video, we'll hit the video. And now it tells you right up here that you're recording. Now let's just move it around a little bit here with your finger and see that camera moves. And let's see. Yeah. Let's take another picture just for fun. Okay. And let's go back to where now we're taking two pictures and we've got a video going. Now let's stop the video. All right. Now we'll go to find the video. Okay, we're going to exit out of here. Don't worry about those pieces of paper there, you'll see why. X out, flip the camera up, back off a little bit, and get a little shot here. Now we're going to go find those videos. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit the pictures button right there. So I'm going to hit that pictures button. Okay, I hit the pictures button, and notice up here it says local pictures, and it gives a name of my cameras and the amount of pictures on it, 000. Oh, look, the outside camera has 2. All right, we're going to touch that button, and we'll go to that page. Okay, we touched that button and brought us to this outside. It looks like we got a picture there. Looks like one, but I'm going to go over here now and touch this arrow here, and it's probably going to show us 2 pictures. Yep, 2 pictures, okay? So let's go look at one of them. Just touch it, and there it is right there. If you want to see the second picture, you can just swipe this way. Swipe, and there's the second picture. Now if you want to delete it, you hit the little can down the bottom, and yes, delete. Or if you want to delete it a different way, a whole bunch of them, you can edit, touch it, delete it down here. There, and you're done. Now I'm going to go back to the next page. And there's the next page, and then we're going to go back to the next page. And there's the next page, and if you notice down here, outside has 0 down there now, no pictures at all. Okay, now we're going to go find that all elusive video we took. I'm going to hit this record button. Okay, we hit the record button. Notice here we have no recordings on any other cameras, but that outside one, the one we took, I'm going to put the arrow, and there it is. We'll put another arrow, hit the arrow, and there's the video. So we'll hit it and watch it for a second. I rotated it with my thumb, and I rotated it back. And that's like about a 14-second video. And then it goes back, and now I'm going to delete it, edit, touch it. And the arrow went over there, delete. I'm going to go done, back, back on the camera, local camera page, and look outside. That video's gone now. So that's how you manually record and find your pictures and your recorded videos. Now I'm going to go back to the cameras. I'll just touch this button right here, but this video is finished.